We become what we think about. Your world is a living expression of how you are using and have used your mind. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. The time will pass anyway. We might just as well put that passing time to the best possible use. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Our attitude towards others determines their attitude towards us. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. The biggest mistake that you can make is to believe that you are working for somebody else. Job security is gone. The driving force of a career must come from the individual. Ideas are elusive, slippery things. Best to keep a pad of paper and a pencil at your bedside so you can stab them during the night before they get away. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. A great attitude does much more than turn on the lights in our worlds. It seems to magically connect us to all sorts of serendipitous opportunities that were somehow absent before the change. People are where they are because that is exactly where they really want to be, whether they will admit that or not. The more intensely we feel about an idea or a goal, the more assuredly the idea, buried deep in our subconscious, will direct us along the path to its fulfillment. You are, at this moment, standing right in the middle of your own acres of diamonds. We can let circumstances rule us, or we can take charge and rule our lives from within. Everything begins with an idea. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. People who have goals succeed because they know where they're going. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Creativity is a natural extension of our enthusiasm. The key that unlocks energy is desire. It's also the key to a long and interesting life. If we expect to create any drive, any real force within ourselves, we have to get excited. Wherever there is danger, there lurks opportunity. Whenever there is opportunity, there lurks danger. The two are inseparable. We all walk in the dark, and each of us must learn to turn on his or her own light. The more one does, the more one can do. Success is not the result of making money. Earning money is the result of success, and success is in direct proportion to our service